Hey guys, this is Bhushan and you're watching Cloud Erator, and I gonna start a new brand series of Flask development for the data science enthusiast. So let's come on the point and see what it is and why you need to know the Flask as a Python developer or as a programmer. So Python is a microwave framework, and why it is called microwave framework because it's no required any tools or library. So it is developed by this handsome guys named Armin Ronacher, and he's an Austrian open source software programmer in the year 2010. So actually it started with a April Fool joke, and later on this jokes got viral and so popular so that they need to make it happen and make it a serious application. So Flask is based on a Poco project, but what is this Poco project means? So let's see what is Poco project. So Poco project was a loosely assembled team of open source developer working on some very popular Python project. Out of this comes the Pigment syntax highlighter, the Prince document system, the Flask web framework, the Jinja templating engine, and the I don't know how to pronounce it, so better we will go for the Google Translate, and then we will start. Then we will know how to pronounce it. So okay, Werkzeug means tools. How to pronounce it?
Werkzeug.
Okay, Werkzeug. So whatever, it means tool. So Werkzeug WSGL library. It was led by Armin Ronacher and George Brandon. So let's see what are the different things we can do with the Poco project. Okay, right now it is used by the tech giant like Pinterest and LinkedIn, and we know this Pinterest and LinkedIn is a social network websites, and they use this framework. So let's start the coding, but wait, before we need to go for the coding, we need to know the features of the Flask. So the features of the Flask are as follows. So these are the features of the Flask, that is it's the development and server and debugger it has. Then it has integrated support for unit testing, then RESTful request dispatching. It uses Jinja templating. We will talk about Jinja templating later on. Then support for secured cookies, and then it has 100% it's depend on the WSGI, that is 1.0, and it has extensive documentation. It uses Google App Engine compatibility, and then extension available to enhance feature. So this is the minimum code we required for making any Flask app. So we just required a 4 line of code, and then after we can do miracle with the Flask. So we need to discuss about this code. The first of all, we need to import it from Flask. Import Flask. So it will import this module Flask from this package Flask, and then app equal to Flask __ name __. So this is a constructor, and here Flask constructor takes the current module name as an argument, and the last line is app dot run. So before running this app, we need to check whether __ name __ equals to __ main __ because in Python every module has a special attributes called __ name __ and the value of the __ name __ attribute is set to main. So when module run as a main program, Otherwise the value of underscore underscore name underscore underscore is said to contain the name of the module. So let's run this code. So for running this code, I will take one file and I will name it flask underscore 1. So the first thing we need to do is from flask import flask. Now the second line of code is it's app equals to flask of underscore underscore name underscore underscore. So this is a constructor, and then app dot run. So before running this app, we need to check whether underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals to underscore underscore main underscore underscore. And this is our first code we can run. So just check it. Here we got the error because I forgot to give the double quote. Now run the code, and here we got the URL. Just click on the URL and it will open the first project. But right now there is nothing on this project, but in next video we will see how to program the other things so that we can see the decent output on the web browser. So for this video, that's all. We will see you next time. So guys, stay innovative, stay hungry, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon. I will get back to you